Brine is a high-concentration solution of salt in water. In diverse contexts, brine may refer to the salt solutions ranging from about 3.5% up to about 26%. Brine forms naturally due to evaporation of ground saline water, but it is also generated in the mining of sodium chloride. Brine is used for food processing and cooking, for de-icing of roads and other structures, and in a number of technological processes. It is also a byproduct of many industrial processes, such as desalination, so it requires wastewater treatment for proper disposal or further utilization. Brines are produced in multiple ways in nature. Modification of seawater via evaporation results in the concentration of salts in the residual fluid. A characteristic geologic deposit called an evaporite is formed as different dissolved ions reach the saturation states of minerals, typically gypsum and halite. A similar process occurs at high latitudes as seawater freezes, resulting in a fluid, termed a cryogenic brine. At the time of formation, these cryogenic brines are by definition cooler than the freezing temperature of seawater and can produce a feature called a brinicle where cool brines descend, freezing the surrounding seawater. The brine cropping out at the surface as saltwater springs are known as licks or salines. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.